You want cheap? I
嚟啦嚟啦，唔買都買
Did
你
you
睇
even
啊！
see me?
睇住有條仔。
Assalamualaikum teman-teman, kembali lagi di channelku, Muhajirin Manusia Gagal Ganteng dan Terancam Kaya.
Me? So what'd you do?
Nothing. 真係乜都冇啦。I came straight to you. Didn't want to start anything major, but without you knowing, you know?
So get this. A couple years ago, this guy Ming came to me and asked me to look out for him while he did business. Special K mostly, but other stuff too. I thought, why not? Take a nice little cut for my boys, no problem. But this week, I sent Jackie here to pick up the envelope, and he tells my boy to Apparently, he's friends with Dog Eyes now, so we can all go ourselves.
You want me to make an example out of Dog Eyes?
That home Garton is gonna get what's coming in. Right now, I need someone to take care of me.
No！ 唔好要我講第二次啊！放開我啊！
快啲啦！我哋已經遲晒啦！
你挑戰緊我嘅耐性喎！我食多過你食米啦！我知我係啱嘅，你有屎忽諗嘢啊！
我話你知啊，你唔好再用啲咁嘅語氣同我講嘢啊！你死埋一邊啊！
唔識尊重人，又從來唔聽人講。
廢話，你啲廢話邊人聽啊？我做咁多嘢，你就咁對我？鬼望你死啊！
輸晒你嗰個人啊！
我哋冇時間俾你咁 hea 啊 ！Special, hey hey, come on in. I got special deal for you. Hey, all friends here are real. I got special supplier.
Come get some best noodles for best prices.
Come on, good suit. You need good suit.
Oh, Hollywood movie, super cheap.
Come on, let me show you around. I'm looking for Ming. You know where he's at?
Yeah, he just passed the food stand around the corner.
All friends here are real. I got special supplier. Hey, big man.
Anything to get the market.
You make it up for me tonight, and we got a deal.
嚇！我真係要咁做？
Ming, I got a message. Stop! You didn't pay Winston.
Get out of the fucking way, moron! Out of the way!
Coming through!
Hey, buddy, come take a look.
Guys, I need your help! Kill him! He needs to be killed! 你知啊，你實死硬啊！我幫你。我等我呢日好耐㗎啦！哇！咁嗨啊！你一定會後悔。嗱，你諗清楚先好啊！到底發生咩事啊？Leave me alone, you fuck! It's one of Winston's guys! Take him out! 屌你老母臭閪啊！ You f***ing with the wrong man! 老母！我屌你屎忽！哇！哇！ 你再嘈我打鳩死你啊！打到你條撚樣仆街！哇！你睇唔睇到啊？你冇噶啦你！我 kill you！ 殺你個仆街！Tugas gonna kill you!
Dog eyes. Winston owns this area. You f with us, and you'll regret it.
Okay, okay, but please, make sure Tugas doesn't kill me.
Hey, watch it.
Wei Sheng, I'm Inspector Tang. You have quite a rap sheet here. Multiple arrests in San Francisco, alleged ties to organized crime, and now you're here, enforcing for the Sun On Yi. You know, you don't have to throw your life away like this.
Your concern's really moving. I appreciate that. I'm suddenly realizing I should have never dropped out of art school. I could have made it. I could have been a real somebody. Thank you for showing me the light, officer.
I want to give you a chance, Shen, but you have to work with me. Then maybe I can cut you a deal. Oh, Superintendent, I'm in the middle of an interrogation.
Inspector, there's been a misunderstanding.
Misunderstanding, sir.
As your superior officer, I'm instructing you to release this man.
But sir, I have it on record that he's Sun On Yi.
I understand that.
I can't simply just cut him loose. I mean, you're asking me to release a criminal with known connections to the Triad, and not only is it against
Well, for God's
protocol,
sake, Tang, he's one of us.
What?
Jesus, Pendrew, let me get the door. There are a few badges outside who didn't hear you.
It's all right, Wei. We can trust her.
Trust her? I just met her.
Congratulations, Tang, so now you know. Maybe now we can make sure that we're helping Wei, not making his job harder than it already is, hmm?
Yeah, it doesn't seem like I have much of a choice.
No, you don't. Now see yourself out.
Permission to speak freely.
Denied. You need to be more careful, Wei. Much more careful. I can't bail you out like this again.
Sir,
I don't want to hear it. Just be careful.
American gangs and Asian ones don't compare to the Triads.
I don't like this cocky little...
You need to be more careful, Wei. Much more careful.
What? How much? No, I'm not paying that.
Rosa told me that the wounds between Winston and Tugas are heating up.
Always the same. Big feud. One kills the other, then a new feud starts.
If they're both killed, then maybe we'll stop having to pay protection money.
Cut off a worm's head, another one will grow back, you see.
What do you think
He's
of
in
fried
trouble.
seahorse? What's
May a
it
little
do?
tea help?
Supposed to
Okay,
be
I'll
the
take it.
Hard 3 hours.
Good luck, Wei.
Does it give
The
him
gods are
freedom
watching.
Or make him want to use his mouth on the door?
Oh, I wish. You're going to need more than herbal medicine to make that happen.
Hey, 歡迎啊！
You have a car in here? Here you go.
你需要放鬆一下，不如嚟温下。受膚色柔和嘅按摩，無論係泰式草藥，定係腳底按摩，或者頭部按摩，温艾古奇都係結束一日嘅作用。
I don't know. Maybe later. 遲啲啦。Do I have to?
Wait, you okay, man? You look like someone took a shit on your face.
Jackie, I'm just a little frustrated, stuck being Winston's errand boy. You know, I was making serious bank back in the States.
Come on, we're just paying our dues. Winston's a loyal guy. He'll hook us up when the time's right.
You can't always wait for the world to hand you what you want. Sometimes you gotta just take it.
Totally, man.
Look, it's time to take a little initiative. We gotta prove ourselves to Winston and the Sun On Yee, or we'll never move up. Is there anything going down in the next few days?
Shit, yeah, there is. Dog Eyes has a big shipment of stolen goods coming in.
Well, it's good for Dog Eyes, but that might be too much too fast. Last thing I need right now is taking a sticky red pole up my
Like that, it's a small deal. Word is there's only a few low-level Londoners looking after it. We boost that shit and give Winston a nice fat cut, he's gonna be mad impressed. No way he doesn't promote us after that.
You'd have to be certain it couldn't be traced back to Winston. Or us.
Sure, of course, they're never gonna know it was us. Unless we get caught.
Well, we won't unless you Come on, get in.
Time to move up in the world.
Where'd you get the van?
My uncle's a chop shop around the corner. Call it a pre-stolen ride. I'm thinking I'm gonna get a steady girlfriend.
Oh, yeah?
What do you think of Jill May?
You're not worried that she doesn't want to talk to you?
Hell no. If I let that stop me, I'd never ask anybody out. What about you? You ever think of finding somebody?
A relationship. Wouldn't really work with my life right now.
Sure it could. Whoa! Oh, shit!
You're one of a kind, Jackie. What's all the crap in the back?
The haul from my last score, baby!
Haul? What haul?
Tires, CRT monitors, a whole bunch of stuff.
Who the hell steals CRT monitor?
Put on his mask. Can't let Dog Eyes boys know it was us. There should only be a few guards.
Keep the engine running.
Focus, Way!
Come and get me!
俾乜你死橙？幫大佬做嘢啊！毀佢啊！仲想？喐佢！仲有咩？打爆佢啦！喐佢啊！我翻屋企揾你老母啊！
Get him! Get him! That's right!
屌你老母，你身痕啊！
喐手啦，唔夠薑啊！喂，你好咯喎，你好放開我咯喎！喂，屌鳩啊！我打極都唔死啊！呢條撚樣好嘢喎
There's more of them! How you like that?
打啦！你以為我牛仔啊？
呢個撚樣啊！
like it was nothing.
Watches should be in the warehouse, man.
We're taking off the goods. Go, 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 man. Hang on, I'll go get the watches.
Let's go, Jackie, hurry it up!
Wait! We got him! Damn, that was crazy, man! We did it! We did it! Check it out! It's raining Cambria!
That was our big boost? A shipment of cheap watches?
What? What do you mean cheap?
Jackie, he's a fake as fuck.
Oh, Tyler, the cops drive. Wait, drive.
I think that's it.
Yeah, they're gone. We're clear, man. No wonder there's so many criminals in this town. Those cops suck.
What do you think will happen with Dog Eyes?
I don't know. He's an asshole guy, but he has friends in high places.
Hey, he's a piece of shit. Don't be afraid. So where's this guy we're meeting?
Don't worry. I'll take it from here.
You sure you don't want me to stick around?
No, man, I got it under control. So Nola.
All right, your deal.
Hey, wait! You did good out there. Here, take this watch. You earned it.
Great, I finally hit the big time. What's up?
Hey, you're Song Yi, right? I was racing earlier, and I would have won. But this guy, Tommy Han Lan, he cheated. Ran me off the road at the last minute. Can you teach him a lesson? Keep him from doing it again?
Yeah, sure.
He's not far. Wreck his car. That'll teach him.
影福相係咁先。My man Wei, you done good. You restored order to the night market.
Well, you took a chance on me, Winston. I wanted to make sure it paid off.
You got the right attitude. It's gonna pay off for you. You'll see. You know anything about the minibus racket?
Well, same as everyone. If you want to drive a good route, pay the toll.
That's right. You know the pickup on Marlboro Drive? The most profitable route in the whole city. From now on, it's yours.
Thanks. I appreciate it, Winston.
Dog Eyes will. Right now it's his route, but you know how to deal with it, huh?
It'll be my pleasure.
I gotta take this. Take a few of the guys with you to back you up.
Let's go.
What's going on?
We're going on offense. Taking over Marlboro Drive. One man per stop. Anybody gives you shit, smack them around, no killing.
What, afraid of Little Blood?
Dog Eyes' son on Yeet. We're taking the route, not declaring war.
Kicking ass is fine by me. I'll take this one.
Good job.
Yeah. Wait, 我諗緊, how come we're going after Dog Eyes? Shouldn't we be fighting 18K?
Dog Guy came after us? This is payback. Plain and simple.
What if Dog Eyes complains to Big Smile Lee? What if he sends Mr. Tong after us?
Look, Duke. Dog Eyes might work for Lee, but Winston answers direct to Uncle Paul. Nobody is going to return. Nobody.
Hey, you haven't paid. If you stop, we'll beat you.
This is our stop now.
Alright, you're good with your fist. I'll give you that.
Thanks.
Yeah, we have another guy with us a while back. He was good with his fist too. Came out of nowhere. Good story. Didn't talk much. You remind me of him. A lot. Turned out he was a cop. That's why he couldn't kill anyone, see? So now we know how to spot a rat.
You talking about? You know that?
You know what they do to traitors, right? When Tong is done with them, he buries them alive. 6 feet under. Nobody coming for you.
Hey, Conroy.
I still think about that poor sometimes.
Let's go.
No, you stay here. I'll deal with this. Watch how a real man does it.
Wait, you better get them!
Hey, you. You want this route, you gotta pay for it.
Are you stoned? I already paid, Dog Eyes.
Belongs to Winston now.
Winston? I don't know no Winston.
Pull over and I'll tell you about it.
You're wasting my time.
How about I break your legs and see how you drive then, huh?
I still drive better than you. I finished my road before you finish. Okay, I'm going. Wait, watch it!
Get out of here, I'm taking your passengers.
Okay.
你估發生咩事啊嗱？
There's a slight problem with your bus, so we're doing a change. After a quick change of drivers, we're on our way.
我好忙㗎，你知唔知收一收我冇咗幾多錢啊？
This is Dog Eyes World，你老味！
哇！你做乜嘢啊？
Hang on.
You can't drive this world. Who the hell are these guys?
Mistaken identity, people, don't panic.
你冇機會啊！
Let me off! I don't want to be a statistic!
Don't worry.
唔係有咩事啊嘛？唔好嚇我啊！
撚樣！ Get out this way! Where are the police?
Just relax.
Are you on drugs?
救命啊！你支煙嚟定定幾好啊！
The real bus driver never drives like this.
Here we are, people.
This was probably the most exciting thing that happened all week. You're not driving the Sim Sang Shui route, are you?
What are you doing here? I'm sure you and Pendrew have a lot of top-secret backdoor business to attend to.
Look, I'm sorry about how I acted in there. You know, just playing the part. I'm already out there on the streets. I hear things like this ketamine racket. I'll see what I can dig up. How's that for an olive branch?
Serious. Just like that.
Look, I'll help where I can. What?
I'm just a little shocked. I'm just used to Pendrew's people being more like him.
I just think we'd be better off helping each other. Come on, what do you say?
I could really use the help if you're willing to give it.
Well, all right.
Fish balls! I know you want fish balls! Unbelievable curry fish balls! You have to try them! You have to!
What can I help you? I used to own 7 cars on this road. Now we're here. Never invest all your money into Benzes. Trust me.
Strings and piano fused with beats. Pinnaker's timeless perfection.
How's your connect? You getting everything you need?
No, man. I haven't been back to Popstar since I left Dog Eyes. I'm not sure how he's gonna take it.
Want me to talk to him?
Yeah. I'm just about out. So grab my next shipment and make sure everything is cool.
Hey, is Popstar around?
What would a nice-looking boy like you want with my boyfriend?
You Popstar?
Who's asking?
Look, I work for Winston. Dirty Ming's operating in our territory. I want to make sure he's supplied.
Sure, I'll fix him up. But
what?
I gotta get paid in advance. I'll make it easy for you. A couple of deadbeat junkies owe me money. Guys used to deal for me before they became their own best customer. Collect what they owe me, and I'll hook your man up.
Who the hell are you?
I'm the god of unpaid debts. Popstar prayed real hard this morning. Time for you fuckers to pay up.
喂，大佬冇啊！啊！放我走啦！我唔想死啊！
of these.
He's okay. One of Winston's guys.
Yeah? Guess Sun On Yee will take on anyone these days.
Who's that?
Hang Shen. Best shit in Hong Kong. You got my money?
Got your money.
Here's your package. Tell Ming to stick with girls over 14 this time. It's the cops. Stay cool.
Hey, you two! Come over here!
Let's go!
Stop! You're under arrest! HKPD! You are under arrest! This is the HKPD! Give yourself up now! Put your hands in the air and knee! Now! Stop what you are doing and give yourself up! HKPD! You are under arrest!
Inspector Tang?
What have you found?
I got enough to bust Popstar, but I also met his supplier, guy named Fang Shen. Find out where he hangs out, and I'll see if I can get something on him.
I'll get back to you.
Got the stuff, right?
Don't worry, I got your stuff right here.
Now I can start making money again.
We noticed you still don't have your own ride. Come by any time if you want to buy a car.
Oh yeah? How much will that cost me?
Don't worry. I'll give you a good deal. Sun On Yee never paid full price.
People are afraid to sign a gangster because they know I could die at any moment.
Extra fresh stuff.
Limited time offer! You gotta stick for good prices!
You need food? I got good dog.
Excuse me. Wait. Where's Shen?
Hey, come on. Hey, buddy. Got some good stuff here.
What do you want?
Mrs. Chu suggested I talk to you. She a friend of mine. I need a favor.
What do you need?
My husband is in the hospital and I can't pay the bills. The only thing we have of any value is our car.
You want to sell it?
No, I want you to run it in the harbor. Our insurance is really good.
Okay.
You want good clothes for less? I got special deals. Hey, big man, you want some new clothes?
Jangan lupa subscribe, like, komen, dan share, juga nyalakan loncengnya, agar kalian tidak ketinggalan. Sekian dan terima kasih, dan nantikan video selanjutnya.